Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to demonstrate for you how great the Ashed Tinder technique is. Any tinder that you saturate with wood ashes will turn that tinder into a great coal extender. The reason you want to use coal extenders is because they can accept a weak spark, a weak ignition source, and go ahead and ignite the tinder, keep it on a slow burn until you get ready to aerate it into an intense ember to ignite your tinder. So I usually show you this on paper towels or fabric or something, but like I say, any tinder will work. So let's go ahead and use ashes out of the stove, and we'll go ahead and make some ash tinder out of leaves, and then we'll make some out of pine needles. And I want to show you how quickly it ignites and how it'll just keep on burning. You want to thoroughly saturate it. You actually want to practice with this technique to see what I'm talking about by thoroughly saturating it. If you put too much ash in it, then the heat can't get to the fibers and transfer heat and grow big embers. This smallest stuff is what I'm going to solar ignite. And you could use empty Bic, any weak ignition source would work. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell anything with a close-up, but we'll try a close-up. So let's go ahead and get the leaves started while we work on the pine needles. Wallet Fresnel lens. You can get them on Amazon for about $2. Just Google Wallet Fresnel lens, survival fire, and these will pop right up. I didn't have the angle just right. All right, let's go ahead and work on some pine needles while this heats up and keeps on burning. You always want to put these ridges towards the sun. It does make a difference. It's about 50% weaker when you have the smooth side towards the sun. All right, y'all. We're just gonna let it sit there and burn. I'll try to pipe in some music into this one. Do me a favor now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Ashed Tinder burns so smoke-free, it's hard to tell if it's still ignited, but I see this is still ignited.